Yo, what is up everyone, bringing you guys another video. And today, or you could say yesterday, I received the Gold Gods 12 millimeter, I believe, flooded diamond chain and bracelet bundle for about 500. So I'm gonna be showing that. I didn't I did do an unboxing video, but it was kind of bad. So this is the bracelet. If you're gonna buy it alone, it's about 200. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. That is just, look at that. Can I get a focus on that? Dude. Wow. Right, that's the bracelet. I do polish them every time I wear them for like an hour. Wipe them off, clean them. This is the chain. There are a bunch of rappers that wear this exact chain, just different sizes. Sometimes the same size. Hold up, yo. Look at that. Wow. That's the chain and the bracelet. Real fly shit. You guys should definitely go pick it up. Gold Gods. Just look it up and you'll find it. They got a bunch of different chains, bracelets, glasses, a bunch of different stuff. This is straight fi, and you all know it. So that's all for this video, y'all. Go check it out. Peace.